Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today I am going to teach you how to use conditional formatting in Excel worksheet. Just open Excel worksheet. I want to display a graphical presentation of this data. How can I do that? Just select all data. I want to display this data in bar mode. And in home menu you will find a styles and conditional formatting. Here you find a data bars. You can display all your data in bar mode. There are different options. You can choose which you want. Just select. It is a very good technique to display data in graphical mode. You can use conditional formatting in different purpose. Just press Ctrl Z for undo and select all data. I want to display top 5 values cells of this monthly sales report. How can I show these top 5 values? Just select all data and go to the styles, conditional formatting. There you will find top and bottom rules. Just click top 10 items. I don't want to display top 10 items. I want to display 5 items. Just select 5 and press OK. You can see top 5 values of these cells, monthly cells. It is a very good technique to display a top 5 and top 10 and top 20, all the values which you want. Just click mark sheet. Here I want to display this percentage in color modes. Just select style, conditional formatting. There you will find a new rule. Just select 3 scales. In 3 scale, the maximum value, it will display a green color, and midpoint is a yellow and minimum is red, and between midpoint and maximum there are variations in color mode. It will display on your data. Just click OK. First value, which is maximum, in green mode, and there are, and 67 is a second, and there is a color variation. You will, and last is a red minimum value. You can display all your data in different color variation, and color variation define the maximum to minimum value. It is a very good technique when you represent your data in different colors. You can make these style. Just go to the conditional formatting and click new rule. You can use here at two color scales. Highest value is a yellow and lowest is a red. And you can also use icon set. In icon set there are different option icon. Green icon when value is greater than and is equal to 67. Yellow when value is less than 67 and greater than and is equal to 33. And when value is less than 33, it will display a red color. It is a very good technique to show the percentage. Just click OK and double press, click here. 80% is a green and 67 is a yellow, and above this value you can see a red. You can display your value in different situation. Just press Ctrl Z for undo. And there are other options as well. You can use color scale here, and icon sets. Different type of icons are available. You can present your data in different icons. And there are also available highlight cell rules. Just open the attendance sheet. I want to display P in a green color and L is a yellow and A in red color. Just select all your, this is a weekly attendance sheet and I want to display all my attendance in different colors. Select style, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and text that contains, if it contains P, represent it green. Okay. Style, highlight, and text that contains L, it will display yellow color. Styles, conditional formatting and highlight text that contains A, display in a display with red color. You can see all the values of present, very easy to read. It is very easy to read P, L and A. It is a very good technique to represent data in color mode. Condition formatting is a very good tool to represent data in different colors and formatting. Hope this tip will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.